The Chinese zodiac, she's a snake.
Yeah.
So that's already one thing. And then they're like smart. Yeah, they're motivated. Like, oh, Slytherins are fine. What was I doing? Oh, turning on the PC.
What was I doing?
Wait, how do we turn this power on again? Do you remember? Do you remember which socket controls this?
Is my computer off too? Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's this. I don't remember which one it is.
Well, this is still on.
Oh yeah, it's this one. Yeah.
Not sure what happened there.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's back though.
Okay. Yay! Impressed, Tal. You have impressed everyone.
Thank you.
Alright, I need to make the sauce that goes into the oyakodon. So I need, let's see, 2/3 cup of dashi. 2/3 cup of dashi. How do I, but I have the powdered dashi. So I just mix it in. 2/3 cups.
Yeah, there's some online quiz for the house stuff. Like I said, we did it once with my team, like when we were having dinner. I don't know, somebody brought it up and everybody just did it. Plus, I think Bulba's a pretty big Harry Potter fan, so.
Where did all my things go?
What things?
I only have 3 here, which means I
One
have,
here.
yeah. Where's the last one? Did you drop it somewhere?
Oh yeah, I definitely dropped one.
Oh, here it
That's
is.
the one I dropped earlier. Reminds me about the eggshell too. Yes, I did throw it in here. Fine, I'll take it out.
Nani? Wait, so what are you guys then? If you guys all took the test already.
I'm assuming Ebony's a Slytherin. I don't think she did the test, so. I'm a Gryffindor.
Ravenclaw. What is Ravenclaw?
They're like the wisdom kind of house.
Okay.
Yeah, they're like intelligent and they seek knowledge and things like that. Which is the other one you would be?
Ravenclaw?
Yeah, I would have guessed Slytherin or Ravenclaw for you.
Okay. Gotta put this away. every time.
Okay, fine. Ebony would be Slytherin or Ravenclaw. I have to choose.
Oh, okay. 2/3 of a cup of dashi, so I'll just do water and mix it.
Stefan is definitely Slytherin. That's an obvious one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How are you ending up right behind me?
See, I wouldn't be a Ravenclaw because I just didn't study anything. You know, it's like not that interesting to me.
Wisdom or just intelligence?
Probably
what did
wisdom.
you mean?
I mean, it's like both. They just like learning. So that's why it would be you too.
But I don't know if that's I don't know. Wisdom and intelligence are 2 different things.
I don't remember exactly. I'm cool with Harry Potter. I'm not like huge on it.
No, but I'm saying, objectively, wisdom and intelligence are 2 separate things.
Yeah, I agree.
Alright, so we got the dashi. I need 1.5 tablespoons of mirin.
Hello, Ebony. Big fans from Indonesia. Says
Hi.
Motal23.
Hi. I recognize that name. 1.5 teaspoons of dashi.
Sunny says intelligence.
Tablespoon of mirin. Tablespoon.
Intelligence, wit, wisdom, creativity, originality, individuality, sharpness, acceptance are Ravenclaw traits.
Oh, okay.
So most of these are pretty accurate towards you.
I'm sure there is overlap, honestly.
Yeah, there probably is. I think Hufflepuff is the best house personally, but I'd still be a Slytherin.
Who said that? Stefan?
Stefan. He's definitely Slytherin. I don't even doubt it by anything.
I thought you turned your computer back on.
No.
You made it halfway though.
Sure. The power came back on.
Alright. Soy sauce. Slytherin. Wait, what are the 4 houses? I mean, there's obviously the
Gryffindor,
That one.
Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff.
Gryffindor, Slytherin,
Yeah.
Slytherin.
So from
Is
my,
it Slytherin or Slytherin?
I don't know, Slytherin, Slytherin.
I think it's Slytherin.
From my knowledge, Gryffindor is like the house of like the brave and like the kind-hearted, you know, like kind of the brutes that go
Courageous?
in. Yeah.
Not the brutes. Are they brutes? Are they actually brutes?
No, but you know that's how I look at them.
Okay.